Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a video on Sre Interview Questions Part 2. This video includes interview questions on incident management and troubleshooting. So let's start. The first question is, describe the incident management process you follow when a system outage occurs. You can answer this question as, in the event of a system outage, my incident management process is as follows. First is detection and acknowledgement. We utilize automated monitoring tools to detect issues in real time. Once an outage is confirmed, the incident is acknowledged promptly and the team is notified through our communication channels. The second point would be prioritization and impact assessment. I assess the severity and impact of the outage on customers and business operations. To prioritize the response, critical services are addressed first. The next point would be triage and resolution. I lead the team in identifying the root cause, whether it's infrastructure, code, or configuration. We implement temporary workarounds to minimize impact, followed by a permanent fix. The next point is communication. Transparent and consistent updates are shared with the stakeholders, ensuring alignment on progress and estimated resolution time. Then last point would be post-incident review. After resolution, we conduct a retrospective to analyze what went well and what could be improved and any necessary process enhancements or system improvements. The systematic approach ensures a swift resolution while maintaining clarity and collaboration throughout the process. Third question is, how do you prioritize incidents when multiple issues occur at the same time? You can answer to this question as, when multiple incidents occur simultaneously, I prioritize based on business impact, severity, and customer experience. Here is my approach. First is business impact. I assess which incidents affect core services or critical user-facing functionalities and prioritize those that have the highest impact on revenue or customer operations. The next point would be isolate the problem. I check for common issues like resource exhaustion, for example, CPU, memory, or disk, the network connectivity, or recent deployments. I validate service dependencies to narrow down potential causes. The next point would be reproduce and diagnose. If possible, I replicate the issue in a controlled environment or use debugging tools to gather more data on the root cause. Then implement fix. I apply the appropriate fix, whether it's a quick workaround or a permanent solution, ensuring minimal impact on other services. Then comes post-incident review. After resolution, I conduct a post-mortem to document the issue, identify improvements, and ensure preventive measures are in place to avoid the recurrence. This structured approach ensures that I quickly identify the root cause while maintaining clear communication and minimizing the impact on users. Third question is, how do you prioritize incidents when multiple issues occur at the same time? You can answer to this question as, when multiple incidents occur simultaneously, I prioritize based on business impact, severity, and customer experience. Here is my approach. First is business impact. I assess which incidents affect core services or critical user-facing functionalities and prioritize those that have the highest impact on revenue or customer operations. Then comes severity. Incidents that cause system outages or data loss are addressed first, followed by issues with degraded performance or partial failures. Next is resource allocation. I assign teams based on expertise and impact. For example, high severity issues get more immediate resources, while lower priority ones are handled with a clear escalation path. Then comes clear communication. I ensure stakeholders are updated regularly with estimated resolution times to manage expectations effectively. This approach ensures that we focus resources on the most critical issues, maintain service reliability, and minimize the disruption for users. Question number 4 is, can you explain the difference between severity and priority while handling incidents? The answer to this question is, severity refers to the technical impact of an incident, indicating how much it disrupts system functionality or user experience. For example, a system outage would be high severity, while a minor UI glitch might be low severity. For priority, on the other hand, it reflects the urgency with which an incident needs to be addressed, considering factors like business impact, customer needs, and available resources. A high severity incident may not always be a high priority incident if it affects a low number of users, whereas a low severity issue could become a high priority if it impacts critical business operations. In a sense, severity is about how bad the issue is, while priority is about how quickly it needs to be fixed based on the context. The next question is, what steps would you take to conduct a postmortem analysis for a major incident? You can answer to this question as, to conduct a postmortem analysis for a major incident, I follow these key steps. First is incident timeline. I create a detailed timeline of the incident documenting key events, decisions, and actions taken from detection to resolution. Then comes root cause analysis. I collaborate with the team to identify the underlying causes, whether technical, process related, or human errors, ensuring we fully understand what went wrong. Next point is impact assessment. I assess the full impact of the incident on customers, business operations, and systems to understand the broader consequences. Then comes identifying the improvements. I discuss that what went well and areas of improvement, focusing on incident response, communication, and recovery processes. Next point would be action plan. I create a concrete action plan to address identified issues, including fixes, process changes, and preventive measures to avoid reoccurrence. The last would be communication. I ensure transparent communication of findings and improvements with all the stakeholders, including customers, to maintain the trust. This approach helps us learn from the incidents, continuously improve our processes, and prevent our future outages. The next question is, how do you prevent incidents from happening again? The answer to this question is, to prevent incidents from reoccurring, I focus on thorough root cause analysis and proactive measures. The first point in this process would be deep dive into the root cause. After an incident, I work with the team to identify not just the immediate cause but also the underlying system issues, whether they are technical, process related, or organizational. Second point would be implement fixes and improvements. Based on the findings, I implement targeted fixes and improve processes, tools, or monitoring to address the root cause and any contributing factors. Next point would be post-incident automation. I leverage automation for repetitive tasks that led to the incident, reducing human error and improvising consistency in operations. Then comes continuous monitoring. I ensure better monitoring and alerting to detect early signs of similar issues and set up automated responses for faster mitigation. Then comes knowledge sharing. I promote a culture of knowledge sharing through post-mortem reports and training, ensuring the entire team learns from the incident. By addressing the root cause and enhancing our systems and processes, we reduce the risk of similar incidents and improve the overall reliability. The next question is, what are your thoughts on blameless postmortems? How do they help the team improve? You can answer to this question as, blameless postmortems are crucial for fostering a culture of learning and continuous improvement. Instead of focusing on individual faults, they shift the focus on understanding the systematic causes of an incident. This encourages open and honest discussions without fear of retribution, allowing the team to uncover root causes and explore solutions collaboratively. By removing blame, we create a safe environment where team members feel empowered to share their insights, identify weaknesses, and implement proactive measures. This approach helps us avoid repeating mistakes, enhance our processes, and ultimately improve the reliability and resilience of our systems. Thanks for watching my videos. I hope my videos are helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.